Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Red Dead Redemption playthrough. I do want to briefly touch on the first episode that I released a few days ago. I don't know why it cut off there at the end, but you guys didn't miss much. It was just riding back to camp with John on the back of the horse and fighting off some wolves, but really wasn't anything too exciting. Didn't miss out on much. All it was John Marston, the character from Red Dead Redemption, kind of being introduced back into the game. So now we're going to move on to this episode, which I didn't record the cutscene right before this, but we are going to rob the train.
How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Great.
Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough!
I do not like Micah.
After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep. Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride.
Let's ride. Oh, I'm excited. I think once we complete this mission is when we can kind of start getting the more adventuring happening. So I'm excited to do that because I'm going to stream a lot of the adventuring and not have those go up in the Let's Play videos. So the Let's Play videos are going to be predominantly like the main story missions. So side missions and just hunting and doing things like that will just be streamed and not in the videos. And I might touch on them, give you a quick recap in some episodes, but I haven't done any adventuring yet. So it's just been playing the missions that you guys have already seen.
Out of the snow, finally. Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast, now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money, once we work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand.
Sounds like a setup, not gonna lie.
There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge. Hold. Is Bill there?
Yeah.
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Get that gun. No. L2. Put the gun away, Arthur.
What are you waiting for?
I'm taking care of my horse.
You're all right, boy.
Giving my horses some love.
This is a good spot.
Yeah. I must remember to thank Colm O'Driscoll for planning it out so well for us.
And for providing all the explosives. Real generous of the fella.
Or is he up on the water tower? Oh no, there he is. Wow, he blends in well. I thought he was drinking. He's setting up the
How you getting
explosives.
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Okay. Seems simple enough. I see the detonator.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Run, Arthur. We're gonna get you in shape, son.
Have to say, I'm rather looking forward to it. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes.
Exhausted.
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
I'll be putting my...
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Got my bandana on. Oh, I'm excited. Our first train robbery.
Gentlemen, it's time.
Oh, this gonna be so good.
All of you, you all know what to do.
Here we go. Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that moron?
You said it was fine.
Come on!
You're pathetic. You know that?
Oh, we're jumping on the train?
Here we go.
We lost Lenny! Or no, we lost Javier.
Oh shit!
We got Lenny, don't worry.
Pull me up!
I've got you. Now stop yelling.
Arthur, help me!
Oh,
Yeah, you're okay.
I didn't realize there's...
Now, let's go
Mash the
settle
button.
this thing down.
Where's Javier?
Wait, oh, I wanted to see.
He fell. The others will get him.
You and me, big man.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Yes, you go.
Okay. Hey!
Oh yeah, he's dead. How do you take cover again? R1. Oh no!
Who's got a shot on them? Someone blow their brain down! Kill them now!
So, come on, let's get to the front.
Okay.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
That was on Bill.
We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
I got these sons of bitches! Kill that bastard!
How you doing there?
okay?
How do you reload?
Stop this train soon. The other boys will never catch us.
I know. Just stay calm.
Oh, that was unexpected. Get him! Elbows!
Got him? I ain't got a clear shot.
Throw him overboard! Oh, bye-bye. Ooh, oh, he hit the rocks. He's fine. I don't think a train would stop that fast. So let's just...
Shit, more guards coming out of the car.
Oh, in the face!
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something. Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got no arm. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid.
Good job, Walter.
Where the hell are the others?
Get into cover,
Where
Arthur.
the hell are the others?
There's the other boy.
Come on, clean this up, boys.
Good shoot.
There we go.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here. You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you.
I think he
More of
does.
you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Cornwall.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
Huh?
That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, it don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Not
Here we
like
go.
the fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
Don't look at the explosion.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you.
My, oh
We just
my.
want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Take all the money.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. It's
Pretty nice train car.
I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes.
Nope, that's not happening.
Easy as cake.
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will you? I'm parched.
Dear Mr. Cornwall, we are yet to receive payment of $2,000 for the initial phase of exploration at the Wapiti Indian Reservation,
I'll give you that.
Ambarino, as agreed in the
Okay.
contract between
See
Cornwall
if we
Kerosene
can
and
get
Tar
this
and the
open.
Leland Oil Development Company, dated November 9th, 1898. On receipt of the funds, we We will proceed with phases 2 and 3 of the project and present you with a detailed report of our findings within this month. Yours respectively, James Critchley, Head of Accounts.
See?
Yeah, alright.
That's how it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read. Who knows?
Dear Leviticus, thank you for for the telegram and for your continuous interest in the Jameson Mining Company. However,
blah, blah, blah.
something news you have received of mismanagement or financial difficulties at the mine in Annisburg are simply fake. I would urge you to question your sources. The coal industry, wow. It's quite different from the oil industry in a number of ways, and I certainly remain open to a business meeting at your convenience to exchange ideas and work.
Let's hurry this along, boys.
It's hard to read some of this, other in our receptive areas of corporate expertise.
Any luck, Arthur?
Right.
Nothing much yet.
Doing a bunch of
Let's
reading.
keep looking.
Those goddamn O'Driscolls.
No, this looks like something.
We got a
These just
lockbox.
seem to be contracts. Arthur, have you looked down the end there?
I think I got him.
Nice.
Thank God. Come on.
My cigar. I'll take another cigar.
Let's hurry this along now.
Take the fine brandy. Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride.
We're going on an adventure with Arthur.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on! Move!
We won't tell a soul, I swear! I thought we had a deal! Ah!
If I hear so much as a footstep from this car, you'll end up like all your friends out here.
I didn't want to shoot him. It said the aim weapon was triangle, but oh well. I wish you didn't have to do the animation of loot every time. Chewing tobacco. So I'm guessing you can like develop addictions and everything in this game. Miracle tonic. So much stuff to loot. So many bodies. Not doing all of it, obviously. I think. Oh, I got 33 cents. I think later on, looting will be more useful than it is right now. Got $11. Or I'm up to $11. Oh, almost 12. What do I do with my horse? Oh, my hat! Arthur's hat is very important. I guess the horse just follows you? I don't know. Oh. Oh, you just send... okay. I thought we were going to be taking the train somewhere. But that works too. All right, so that was Arthur robbing his first train, or our first train on the journey. So we are going to call that quits for an episode right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.